Texan Global School. Solids. Cube. This class discusses the general characteristics of a cube, surface area, and volume calculation. A cube is a parallelepiped whose 6 faces are all squares. The 6 equal faces or planes bound the cube. The edges are the intersections of the planes. The intersections of these lines or edges are the vertices. To find the surface area of a cube, first, let's remember how to obtain the area of a square. In this case, the front face is one of the 6 squares. Hence, the area is calculated by multiplying 2 of the sides or by squaring one of the sides. As a result, to find the surface area of a cube, let's unfold the cube as shown on the whiteboard. Hence, only find the areas of all 6 squares and add them. So, the surface area of a cube is 6 times the square of the length of a side. In this first example, let us find the total surface area of a cube whose side is 2 feet. By sketching the cube, we can unfold it to visualize the surface area to be calculated. The area of one of the faces is 2 times 2 or 2 squared. Because there are 6 faces, the total surface area of the cube is 6 times 2 squared, resulting in a surface area of 24 square feet. In the previous class, we saw that the volume is the quantity of space enclosed by the surfaces, in this case squares, which bound a cube. A solid is measured by finding how many times it contains some other solid. The proposed unit is a cube with an edge length of 1 unit. Hence, the volume of the cube can be calculated by dividing it into small cubes with an edge length of 1 unit. If we count them, we can see that there are 27 cubic units. 3 units of length times 3 units of width times 3 units of height. Essentially, the volume of a cube can be calculated by multiplying length times width times height, or simply by cubing the side. In this other example, let us find the volume of a given cube whose side is 2 feet. Hence, we can multiply the side 3 times or cube the side, resulting 8 cubic feet. We can divide the cube to demonstrate that it contains 8 cubes, the total volume. In this last example, the volume of a Rubik's cube whose side is 3 inches can be calculated. By multiplying the side 3 times, we can obtain the volume, hence resulting 27 cubic inches. We can see that, if we count each unit, results 27. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com